a drawbridge like this, much less seeing it actually working.
I didn't know that.
It's moving so slow.
So glaciers didn't run over it. It just was carved out by glacial meltwater, primarily by the meltwater of the glaciers in the Mississippi River Canyon here. And these are preferably called bluffs rather than hills because you're in a canyon of bluffs. And the natural geography of the areas around here is actually up there and flat once you get away from the river.